everybody, Gina DeLuca here. Welcome to day 10 of my 30 days of creating. I know that I said that I wasn't going to do repeats. I was going to try to not do repeats, try to do something completely different every day, but that might have been unrealistic when I have other obligations that I need to follow through with, and so I'm still going to create, and I feel like that is the most important part of this, is that I am creating something every day. What we are going to do today, I am going to work on another ACEO, that is artist card editions and originals. They are all 2.5 by 3.5 inches. It's a thing over on the eBay, and apparently there's a lot of places where these are very popular. Some folks trade them, some folks sell them on eBay. I'll probably be selling them on eBay, and yeah, but it's something small, so it's not going to take me 8 hours or 60 hours to complete. I'm trying to keep it under an hour so that I can meet my other obligations. So I'm going to do a landscape, a waterscape type thing, sunset. So let's get this started, shall we? All right, high speed mode in effect. So I like to lay down layers on layers on layers. That is just how I paint. I know some people can come in and just do one layer and it's beautiful. They are very loose painters. I am not a loose painter. I'm a very tight painter, and I'm trying to work on that. Maybe my next video will be trying to be loose and making that a thing. So for the water here, I'm kind of doing that dry brushing technique, so it gives it that ripply look. Also, why I started with the yellow that was in the sky, so that it is giving that reflection in between the ripples. Working on getting that glow, that very important glow, bouncing off of the water. I used to live on the water and I loved the sunsets. I would always try to get home in time to see them. And I feel like I'm starting to get that glow. It's looking good. Now I'm going to put in my horizon line with some trees. I like to put down a piece of tape because I want my horizon line to be tight, not loose. Adding that red to the tree line really makes it look like the sun is glowing through the trees. And although there's not a whole lot of detail in this painting, I still was really happy with how it came out and how I really got that nice glow going. Throwing some grass on the side here, a little foreground action. And we are just about done. I was quite happy with how this came out. I hope that you want to give it a try. All right, I think I'm going to call this done. It was a learning experience. I like one pen better than the other for doing the grass there. But overall, I think I'm happy with it. I like the way this turned out. There she is. I hope that this inspires you to make something today. And yeah, so check out the description box below for links to my PayPal tip jar if you feel so inclined. Not expect it, but super appreciate it. My affiliate links are in the description box, and some coupon codes. If you use those links, I receive a small commission at no additional cost to you. You will also find the link to my website, ginadeluca.net, where you can find my art and music and fluid art inspiration cards for sale. and you will find the link to our Facebook group. Go make some art. Join us there. Post your masterpieces. Ask your questions. Get some inspiration. Good time is had by most. I think that's it. That's it for me for today, y'all. I hope you have a beautiful day. Now go make some art.